জাস্ট হঠাৎ করে একটা মাছ এই রুমে আটকায় গেছে। Yeah? Now, this fly can see there's a light through this door. And fly does not understand this is a glass door. It's thinking that maybe this is the way out. So the fly will fly very, happy, I can see the way out. And bam, hit the door. What actually happened? আমি লাইট দেখতে পাচ্ছি বাট যেতে পারলাম না কেন? Okay, I'll try again. No problem. And the fly will go and hit it again. Bam. What is the chances the fly will break the door? Is there any chance? No. But the problem is fly will be keep on trying until he's dying over there. আমরা হিউম্যান বিং অনেকে আমরা এই কাজটা করি, হার্ড ওয়ার্ক করতে 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 জীবন বরবাদ করে ফেলাই। Why you're not trying a different approach? Why this fly is not trying a different window? Why you have to keep on trying same way and fail 55 times and you're thinking there's no way out? We do the same for success. সূর্য অস্ত যদি দেখতে যান আর পূর্ব দিকে আপনি হেলিকপ্টার নিয়ে রওনা হইছেন, কোনো কাজ আছে? You have to have the right strategy. This is very important. Problem is we tried wrong strategies, it did not work and we are thinking it's not possible. That's the problem. As a human being, we have given the intellect, we don't use it properly. You have to keep on trying different approach until you get the success.